Hello from Macking Domain. I'm Tu, and this is Yukti. And today we have another product preview for you from our YouTube channel. So, Yukti, you want to tell us what is this?
We are going to showcase to you our headset, telecommunication set.
I see.
That it comes with set of four. So it's from Him TV. It's very popular. This is one of our best seller product. We are currently run out of stocks. I think our stock will come in, in a few weeks' time. Hopefully that we have it by then, so that our clients will stop calling us. Okay. So this is a hard casing. As you can see, it's a hard casing. And when you open up, you will see there's a sling. So there's a 1, 2, 3, and 4 headsets. Okay, so there are 4 headsets, and it comes also with 2 chargers. Okay, 2 chargers and 2 USB cable. It's actually a 2 USB charger, and each unit already come with a battery. The battery can actually last about 10 to 12 hours depending of the quality of the battery, but when it's brand new, usually it's about 12 hours.
The battery is also a pretty common battery model, right?
Yes, the battery is like the old Nokia phones where you use those
I see.
like 8800 or 8110 type of batteries,
Right.
and easily available.
So the batteries themselves are still in production, right?
Yes,
I
and
see.
we also have stock. So like for example, sometimes our clients, they will buy a set of 4, then they want to buy additional batteries, so we actually give them additional batteries, so they actually have 2 batteries.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep.
And the charger, you can actually buy those high speed charge type, the charger, the USB charger, so you can charge it. I think the full charge, I think within 1 or 2 hours you should be able to do a full charge. Really.
That's fast.
Yeah.
Right. So, tell us a little bit about how all this works.
And you can see that this unit only comes with this, accessories and things like that. So there isn't a hub, but you can see that when we turn on, right, we will find that there is a red blinking light. Okay. You see the red blinking light? No?
Yep.
Suddenly no light.
Yep.
No battery.
It blink. Yep.
Okay. And then what you do is that you have to start to press.
Actually, doesn't it pair straight away?
Oh, it's already comes straight away. Sorry, I have mistaken. So when you turn it on, the sets usually come already paired. Yeah. So you can see that. Okay, now is static light. When it's not paired, it is blinking. So you can see that right now we have 1, 2, 3 lights lit up. Okay, static light right now. So meaning that you can already talk to one another. Okay, it's so easy to use, and all you need to do is make sure that it is not blinking. Alright, how do you use this? Okay, alright, so this is how you use. There's an extender. You can actually extend it for those people who need to extend. You can actually put on the headset. Yeah. Alright. So you can see that, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yep.
Loud and clear? Yeah.
Yep.
So if you want to mute, what you need to do is just, so whatever you say, nobody can hear. But at the same time, everybody will hear you. Now, these 4 sets will be able to hear you clearly when one of them is actually talking. Yeah, so it's very easy. The items that we are selling to those like 2 or 3 man operator. We also sell it to like those people who set up like truss. Like for example, you climb out to the truss, you don't want to get a rocky, or you don't want to shout to one another sometimes the distance is too far, so they just take the headset, like we do it in the indoor stadium, Axiata, it's from one point to another is about 150 meters.
I see.
They love it. Immediately they bought one unit. So it's very easy to use. Make sure that you have extra battery, and that's all. Yeah.
So it's pretty much like the plug and play for walkie-talkies in a way.
Yes, yes. So a lot of people who doesn't like walkie-talkies, they have sometimes the battery is, or sometimes accidentally you change channel, then you won't be able to hear the voice, and you have to find the right channel.
Right.
And sometimes those feedback sound also very disturbing to the ear.
Right.
So with this, it's actually very, very easy.
So do we have units more than 4?
Yes, we also come with a set of 7 or set of 9. The set of 7 and set of 9 come with additional device, which we call it the hub. The hub allows you to do an extension to have more units to come together. So we will show you in the next video, because right now we don't have it. Our stock has been all fully sold out. This is our demo.
But as I understand, even the sets of 7 and sets of 9, they come prepared, right, from the factory.
Yes.
So
yes.
it should run straight away right out the box.
Yeah. So it's very straightforward. Those people who want to use this product, who want to test this product, just give us a call. You know, we are more than willing to show you. And the good thing about this product is like among all the comm-set, right? I think this is one of the cheapest.
Really?
Yeah.
How much?
We're talking about the set of 4 is only 2,500 ringgit. The set of 7 is about 4,800. The set of 9 is actually 5,800. So you can actually buy additional battery. The battery is only 30 ringgit each. So it's affordable. One more thing, as you can see, you know, after you use for a while, you will see all this device, you get into like
wear and tear.
And tear. So we have all those products,
the replacement
parts. So you can actually buy this, the sponge for the mic from us. You can also get the
earmuffs, right?
Yeah, what's this one?
The earmuffs.
Yeah, earmuff. And also we have this sponge as well. So all these are actually very affordable. We're talking about maybe 10-15 ringgit each only. So it is not like a huge amount of money that you have to pay to get it fixed.
I see. Sounds very convenient.
Yeah. So the unit also come with, you can see that right now this is a B. B means it's a second unit. C and D. Alright. So the master is actually labeled as A. So I would suggest that those people who get it, it's better to do a mark, because the headset with the master red light is actually very different from the normal slave. Yeah.
Right, so that pretty much covers all we have about the headsets, but if you'd like to know more in detail about how these things work, feel free to reach out to us at Macking Domain. We have our website, mackingdomain.com, or if you want, you can get in touch with us directly and we'd be more than happy to set up maybe a demo session.
Our website has all those details, what is the frequency wave and things like that. Just for your information, a quick one, we are not running on the Wi-Fi range. So when we are not running on the 2.4 to 5 gigahertz wave, you are safe, so you don't have much of interference when you use it.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we look forward to hearing from you, and see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.